Hi, I'm Nera, and we're here with a new video about artificial intelligence. Who would have thought just a few years ago that we could have intelligent assistants capable of writing, creating images, programming, editing videos, or even conducting complete research, and all completely free? And the best part is that in 2026, artificial intelligence has made a huge leap forward. Now you no longer need to pay for a subscription to access truly powerful tools. In this video, I'm going to show you the best free AIs we can use this year to study, work, create content, or simply save time. Some of them you probably already know, but I'm sure there are others you don't. Let's take a look at them. First of all, we have ChatGPT, and we're starting with one of the most well-known ones. ChatGPT is still one of the most comprehensive AIs out there. We can use it to write texts, summarize documents, translate languages, code, answer questions, or come up with ideas for businesses or content. And what's interesting is that the free version keeps offering more and more features, allowing us to do tasks that were previously only available in the paid version. If you could choose one AI to start with, this would probably be the best option. It's one of the most comprehensive and easiest to use. In second place, we have Gemini, which is Google's AI, and it has also improved a lot tremendously. Gemini stands out especially because it integrates very well with the Google ecosystem. And now I'm going to show you the look and feel of Gemini. And here we have the look and feel of Gemini. We can ask it for information, it analyzes documents for us, helps us write or draft emails, generates code, and even works with images. If you use Gmail, Drive, or Google Docs, it's really worth trying it out because everything works quite smoothly and is fully integrated. Therefore, it's a tool that can help you streamline your daily tasks. In third place, we have Claude. And if you need to write long text or analyze huge documents or compare them with any regulations, without a doubt, and as I've said in other videos, Claude is truly amazing. And here you have its look and feel. Many users consider it one of the best AIs for writing content in a very natural way. What's more, it understands the context we provide very well, which makes the conversations we have with the AI very coherent, even when they're very long. Therefore, it's perfect for students, professional writers, and the working world in general. In fourth place, we have Perplexity. This is a different kind of tool. Instead of responding only with what it knows, it searches for up-to-date information and also tells us what its sources are. Therefore, it's ideal for research, for finding reliable information, for comparing data, and for preparing assignments or reports. And if you've ever wasted half an hour searching for information on Google, Perplexity can do that job in just a few seconds, so make sure to take note of it. In fifth place, we have Notebook LM, and it's another big surprise. This tool allows us to upload our own PDF documents or notes and ask questions directly about those documents. Imagine having a teacher who knows your notes and the class materials perfectly. We can ask it for summaries, explanations, outlines, and even to solve doubts using only the information from our documents. I think it's ideal for students. I think it's a spectacular tool that can help make studying a much easier process. In sixth place, I want to talk to you about Microsoft Copilot, or just Copilot. And the thing is, it keeps growing and growing. And if we use Windows or Microsoft 365, we probably already have access to it. It's very common in the workplace, since Office 365, Microsoft 365 tends to be the most prevalent in large organizations. And that's because Copilot can help us write documents, generate presentations, create spreadsheets, answer questions, or even code. Plus, it's integrated with the operating system and the entire Office suite. Therefore, it's the most convenient option for daily use or everyday work. And also, if your organization has Office 365 for its employees, it also guarantees the reliability of your data within your tenant or your cloud. This is also very important because we can provide it with all the context of our organization, our service catalog, etc. And this makes Copilot's AI much richer in terms of the responses it can give us. Therefore, if your organization uses Office 365, you pay for the licenses so your employees can make the most of Copilot and make your business even more profitable and efficient. Next, we have Leonardo AI. Now we move on to image generation, which is a completely different field. And this tool remains one of the best for managing images for free. Leonardo helps us create illustrations, designs, characters, or images for our social networks, events, or parties. If you are a designer, content creator, or simply want high-quality images, it is really worth it. In 8th place, we have Ideogram. If you've ever tried to generate images with text, you'll know that many AIs still make mistakes. This is where Ideogram stands out. It is capable of generating images with much more accurate lettering, making it perfect for YouTube thumbnails, any other social network, logos, posters, or posts, as I mentioned, on any social network. In 9th place, another tool that we've also explored in some of the previous videos, and allow me to look for it because I didn't have this one prepared. And we're talking about ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs offers some of the most natural synthetic voices that any AI can generate for us. I'm going to show it to you right now. It can convert text to speech in multiple languages and create narrations with impressive quality. It's very useful for videos, podcasts, or even educational content that we want to create. In 10th place, we have Canva AI. We've also seen it in other videos. We were already using Canva before, and it was a tool for making presentations that I find fascinating. But in addition to being a very popular tool, it now incorporates artificial intelligence features. Here it is. And it allows us to create images, generate next-level presentations, edit photos, write text, design social media posts, and all from a very simple, super intuitive interface, even for those of us with no design experience. As you can see, you don't need to spend money to take advantage of the potential of artificial intelligence. With these tools, we can write better, work faster and more efficiently, study in a more fun and easier way, create professional content, or even automate tasks in our daily lives. And the best part is that these are the free versions, and they're more than enough to get you started in the world of AI. Now, I want to know which of these you've already used or which one you're going to start using. If you know of any free tool that should be on this list, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, because we'll keep sharing the best possible videos to bring AI tools closer to your everyday life. Goodbye.